Well, today is the big challenge. It's a bigger challenge for you than it is for me because I'm doing one day. You're doing how many?
5 days.
I hadn't sort of engaged with the fact that we're actually doing a marathon till this morning.
Well, you're doing a marathon today. I'm doing a marathon for the next 5 days.
Oh, there is that,
with
yeah.
a different celebrity each day.
I'm excited, but I am also a little bit nervous. Scared.
Don't film this bit.
It took a little bit of time getting to sleep, but once
You've
I was
got a
asleep, it was
rubbish
great,
partner
yeah.
though, that's the problem.
3, 2, 1, paddle!
So over the whole period of today, they're going to be doing 18 locks. They did 5 in the first 2 miles. Really physically demanding right throughout the whole day.
Now, it's starting to rain now. Very wet. Damp in the mood, but we'll keep going.
Hey, this is all part of it, isn't it? And if it means someone donates another couple of pounds to stand up to cancer because they've seen what we've done, lovely. Happy days.
Hello. That seemed like a really good idea in August. So when did you discover your cancer?
It'll be almost 5 years ago now, in November.
Yeah.
I was in the doctors on the Thursday, operated on the following Friday, and then chemo for 6 weeks.
And if you had ignored it, what would have happened?
I did die.
And it would have been, because it was quite advanced.
It was two tumours yet, so
Blimey.
it wasn't good.
You're lucky to be here.
I am indeed. With you.
The worst thing is Carla's made me kind for 24 hours. I can't do any more cases. What have you done to me? You've ruined me.
We've been helping.
She looks like a moody cow. Hey. I'm not going to lie, I am starting to ache a bit now. And I sort of felt really good about we've done 11 miles, and then someone said 15 still to go. Jag's banter's keeping me going, isn't it? How can you not be motivated by that face? Look at that face! That is a beautiful face.
Only got 4 more days left. Don't say. I'm going to be ringing you every day. And if you start to get lead arms, I'll be on the phone shouting at you yes and no. A bloody good luck.
Just like that was really hard, and the fact that they're going to do that again, and I just think what they're prepared to put themselves through is incredible. It's been an absolute privilege to have been in the boat with you this week. So really good luck, you're amazing. So if you've been watching today and you've been inspired, or you just really, really want to help everybody on this incredible challenge, then please text Canoe 10 to 70404 to donate £10.